Do you want to go outside and show everyone how you eat chalk? Come on. Now let's go out like humans go out, okay? Yes, just like that. Keep going. Charlie. Charlie, what is this? What is this over here? Here. What's that? Chalk. What do you do with chalk? Oh, yuck. We don't eat that. Charlie, where are you going with the chalk? Honey? Ooh, honey. Come here, Charlie. Come here. Can Mama have that chalk? Can Mama have that chalk, honey? Come here. Bring Mama the piece of chalk. Yes. Oh, that's nice. You took the chalk away so you could do what with it? Oh, no. What are you doing with that? Ew. Chalk. Ew. Wait. Hey, look at Mama. Charlie, look at Mama. Oh my God. Stop. Ah. Oh